Okay, hello people. We are riding my horsey, Cootie Bug, and we are going to do a walk, jog, and then a lope. So, let's do it. Alright, now we're going to jog. It's way more easier than being on a trot, because you'll see what that is in a minute. So, whoa, lost the reins. And hit the fence. Right now we're going to canter. Her canter's quite easy. Instead of when she's going fast. Slow. And a trot. Now jog. Ah, bridges! And then we're at a walk. Good girl, Cootie Bug. Well, Cootie Bug is a registered appy. Her color is done. She has no spots on her. She's 13 years old. She does everything in Western. I think she does English. I'm not sure. But she's a good girl and I love her. Alright.